Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, so here's the engine bay for the V8 C8 Corvette, and as you can see, it's just a regular plastic engine cover that comes with the Corvette. There are 2 bolts on each side, so 4 bolts total, and a clip that you need to remove in order to take this out today. So all you need is a screwdriver, 10mm bolt and socket to remove those 4 bolts on the side, and you're good to go. Okay guys, if you are doing this for the first time, this clip might be a little tricky. There is a little tab right over here if you can zoom in there. I'm not sure if the lighting is good enough, but there is a tab right there. You're going to use your screwdriver, press it in, and then hold on to it, and then it should just clip above. It's pretty much a cap that removes towards the top. There you go, just like that. And once that is done, you're going to take this pipe off, put it underneath. That way you could remove the engine cover, like so. Move it down. And then this piece, you would transfer it onto the new carbon fiber engine cover once you're ready to install. Be careful not to lose this. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and do the other side. All right guys, so I removed all the 4 bolts, and the clip obviously you saw earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. There are 2 little middle tabs on each side that's holding all these pipes right over here. This side and that side looks like has all the connections. All you gotta do, simple to remove, just kind of pull back on one and it should easily just come right off. And then, okay, so that side is removed. Oh, I see, there's another little pipe here that's blocking it. So once you get that, boom, there we go. And voila, there is the plastic Corvette engine cover. Like I said, you have to transfer this clip onto this piece right over here. Now, if you have one of these tool removers, it's very handy. You could probably get this on Amazon in a set, probably $10 or less. If not, it's gonna be pretty difficult to wiggle this out with your hand. Put it in underneath the clip and then just wiggle in and out. Again, without this, it might be a bit difficult. Very good tool to have if you want to ever take out some clips in the future. And then just do it slowly. Hopefully nothing breaks. These things are pretty fragile. But if you do, I bet you these aren't that expensive that you could get from the dealership. All right, so I got the clip out, and don't worry if it's a little crushed, you'll still be able to hold it in place as long as this whole tab isn't broken. And here is the transfer hole for the clip. Just go ahead and put it right back in. Just like that. There you go. All right guys, that is it for the Paragon Performance engine cover, carbon fiber engine cover for the Corvette C8. Hopefully this helped you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.